Hello traders, today's highlights. The US dollar has rebounded to new highs this morning and the broad markets are proving tentative. It's Monday, May the 7th, and here's our daily market review. Most Asian indexes struggled today and were not able to advance. However, the Shanghai Shenzhen composite did turn in stellar gains. The Dow Jones Industrials, S&P and Nasdaq finished last week with a solid day on Friday, but investors remain extremely cautious on Wall Street and have turned in only fractional gains the past month. German factory orders this morning proved negative, and this will not be welcomed news. However, because the euro and pound remain vulnerable, equities on the European continent have actually produced better gains and their monthly performance has been good. But the question global investors want to see answered is if the Americans can start the week positively on Wall Street. The US dollar has gotten stronger the past few hours against the euro, pound and yen. After showing signs of stability late last week, Forex has proven volatile this morning as important technical ranges show a sustained US dollar trend. Inflation data from the States, which will be published this Wednesday and Thursday, will be vital from the Producer Price Index and Consumer Price Index, respectively. The euro is trading near 1.1930 and long-term support is being tested. Gold has come off early highs this morning and is around $13.12 an ounce. The precious metal staged a solid rally late last week, but the commodity remains well within the lower boundaries of its midterm range. Speculators will remain active in gold as the US dollar gyrates in Forex. The US Consumer Credit Report will deliver insights for investors at 7 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching, have a good trading day, and we'll see you again soon.